Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Ade. Welcome back to our channel Matric. Today we will see multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit number within 5 to 10 seconds. Before starting, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon for further updates. Let's start. So let's say we want to multiply 13 by 27. So what will be the trick here? The trick will be, first of all, we will multiply the digits at unit place, that is 3 into 7. So 3 into 7, 21, carry 2. So we will write 1 here and carry will be 2. Okay, so second step will be cross multiplication. So what is cross multiplication? That is 1 into 7 and 2 into 3. After cross multiplication, we will add those numbers. So 7 ones are 7 and then 2 threes are 6. So we will do this whole addition, that is including carry as well. So 6 plus 7, 13 plus 2, 15. Again, what is carry here? Carry will be 1. So we will write this 5 as it is and consider carry as 1. Then we will multiply the digits at 10th place, that is 2 into 1. So 2 into 1, 2 plus carry 1. So total answer will be 351. That is your final answer. That is 27 into 13 will be 351. So again we will take another example. Let's say we want to multiply 78 by 89. So what is the first step? As I told you in the previous example, first step will be multiplying the numbers at unit place. That is 8 into 9. 9 8s are 72. What is carry? 7 is the carry. We will write that carry here. Again, next step will be cross multiplication and addition. So 9 7s are 63 and 8 8s are 64. We will add 7 plus 3, 10 plus 4, 14. Carry 1. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. What will be carry here? Carry will be whole 13 and we will write this 4 here as it is here. Then the carry is 13. Remember that. Again, what is the next step? Next step is multiplying the numbers at 10th place. That is 8 7s are 56. 56 plus this carry 13 is 69. So this will be your answer. If you practice this for some time, you will solve sums like this within 5 to 7 seconds, not 10 seconds also. So let's say take another example for summarizing everything. Let's say you want to multiply 57 by 23. So what is the first step? You must have got it now. So first step will be multiplying the numbers at unit place. 7 3s are 21. Carry is 2. Then what is the next step? Cross multiplication and addition. So next step is 5 3s are 15 and then 7 2s are 14. So 4 plus 5, 9 plus 2, 11. Carry 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Again, what is the carry here? Carry will be 3 and we will write this one as it is here. So what is next step? Next step is multiplying the digits at 10th place. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus this carry 3, 13. So this will be your answer. That is 1311. Likewise, you can do all the sums, that is all the multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit number. That's it for today. Do subscribe my channel. Do watch the previous lectures of this series, which will be helpful for you. Keep preparing. All the best. Thank you.